warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, hello, what's up everybody? First of all, my honorable to the judges, to the participants, and all of the crew Pascal 2021. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alia Salsabila. I came from MTsN 1, Banda Aceh. And today I would like to tell you all a story under the title, The Legend of Nyi Roro Kidul. Let's hear. Once upon a time, in the west of Java, there lived a kingdom named Pakuan Pajajaran. The kingdom was ruled by a very wise and great king named Raja Prabu Siliwangi. All of the villagers will love him and respect the king. But there's one problem. The king had a lot of children. He confused which one should get his throne. Actually, there's one candidate. Her name is Princess Kanita. Princess Kanita was a very beautiful young girl with a kind-hearted and also had the same trait as her father, wise and a great figure. One day, the king asked the princess to meet him. My princess, if the time has come, I want you to rule the kingdom and become the next queen. Do you understand? Asked the king. Yes, I do, Your Highness, answered Princess Kanita. Then, when the mistress heard about that, she was so angry. She didn't accept that. Did I just heard that? Then it must be a joke. No one should be the queen except me or my child, said the mistress arrogantly. Then she planned something so evil. She asked a magician who used black magic to curse her. That day, the storm was rained off and the sound of the rain was loud. When Princess Kanta woke up, she was so shocked. Her skin, who was smooth, clean, and clear, now peeled off and had a stinky smell. When the king knew about that, she was actually sad and confused too. Day by day goes on, but Princess Kanita never been healed. In fact, the kingdom started concerned about the disease. Your Highness, I didn't mean to be out of my line, but I think we should put Princess Kanita far away from the kingdom or the disease will spread, said the mistress. But she's my daughter. I couldn't lose her, said the king. Your Highness, it's between your daughter or the kingdom, said the mistress smirked and actually still acting sad. Actually, do you know that Princess Kanita heard all of the conversation? Her heart was broken to pieces. She ran away from the castle and through the forest until she arrived on a beach called Pantai Selatan. She fell on her knees. I don't know what's wrong with me. I never meant to have this disease. I don't want to lose anyone. It's far better. Someone, please help me. Cried Princess Kanita. Then there's a sound answer her.
Hey, princess, jump to the wave. I'll cure you.
She was so confused, but then without any hesitation, she ran and huh! Never wanted this kind of pain. Turned myself so cold and heartless, but one thing you should know. Ko era iso layu, saka kesalahan lagi diri iso naning lapi. She turns into a goddess of the beach and she became the guardian of the beach Pantai Selatan and lived immortally and happy. The end, and that is the end of this story. There's one moral value that we can take from this story. That is, even how hard your life goes on, just in case you're so feel sad, always remember that God always watches us and knows what's better for us. And also I want to tell you something. Local people believe that if you go to Pantai Selatan, don't ever use a clothes that have a green color. Well, maybe I just admit, with us an Indonesian, why don't we respect our culture? Right? That's all for me. I hope you like and enjoy my story. Thank you for all attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.